Show, the entertaining Coco Show. What do you buy, you choose? Proudly presented by Coco.
Hello everyone, Chathamboy12 here, and this is January the 6th, 2014. And you see this is a major snowstorm. Actually, I'll consider this being our first major snowstorm because this is like the first snowstorm that we've got this year. To a point where you can't really see anywhere without having snow drifting in your eyes. You see the look of that? Cars are like just driving very slowly because the roads are probably very slippery and slick. Tractor just this is funny because that tractor was just rolling on the roads and he was just looking back at me like, is this guy making a video? Yeah, of course we're making a video. Look at that. I'm not quite sure if you guys can see this. It's like a big avalanche of snow. There's a lot of snow. A lot of snow. Being January the 6th, first major snowstorm in the year 2014. It's humongous snowstorm. And I'm just standing in the snowstorm. It's fantastic. Oh, over there, Chatham-Kent snow plows. They're finally on the roads. Look at that. Look at the amounts of snow. This has to be at least 15 to 20 or maybe 25 centimeters of snow. And I mean, probably elsewhere in Chatham or elsewhere in Ontario, probably London probably got even harder. Probably got like 30 to 45 centimeters because they always get more snow than what we do, which is strange. I want a lot of snow. I don't want just a little bit. I don't want just this. I want more. Even though this is pretty much a lot of snow. So, I hope you guys did get a lot of snow wherever you guys are. And if you guys did get a lot of snow, make a video. I want to see. So, take care. Hope you guys all enjoy your snow day. Peace out.
Coco Show, you have watched Coco. Thanks for watching.